Good morning. Welcome to what I eat at home, living alone for a couple days. I just dropped off my husband at the airport, and so I'm gonna be spending the next couple of days alone. Let's start with the first day. The huge. When I go grocery shopping, I buy 2 of these at a time so that I'm not worried about running out or whatever. That's my biggest nightmare. Looking forward to my breakfast and then finding out that I don't have enough. Breakfast is the huge. I fell in love with these dang coconut chips and I kept buying them on repeat at Whole Foods. It was getting a little pricey because they're like $5 a bag, and then I looked it up on Amazon and they're only $2 a bag. You just have to buy 12 of them. Hallelujah. I love these so dang much. Which is no problem for me because I'm gonna eat them anyways, but I got it for half the price. So I'm meeting up with my friend in an hour and I'm going to bake her some cookies. We're gonna go get coffee now. Going to Tamo. This is how she greeted me. Thank you. This looks so much better.
But you're not a bad person.
For dinner tonight, my very stressed out friend is coming over. She says she's been super stressed, so I wanted to make something delicious but nutritious. So I'm gonna make this like salmon over rice recipe that I make kind of often. The sauce is really delicious, so I'll show you how I make it, and this is easy with like pantry essentials, so highly recommend. Did you know behind your rice cooker there's a little tub that fills with water, and you have to dump it out.
널 만나기 전 누군가를 위해 노래한 적 없어 길어지는 대화 속 중심부터 이루고 있어.
There's a singer in Korea, Song Shikyung. He's like Korean ballad king, but he's also really good at cooking. And this is his recipe.
던져 가슈 그 누구보다 눈이 참 예뻐 Yeah you 그 누구보다 사랑스러워 Yeah you 찾아 헤매이던 내 반쪽 I feel so free Oh my sweet baby
Nice. This is so yummy, thank you. I came right on time. I was like,
I know.
Do I have to wait 1 hour?
I started like an hour earlier than I normally would have. Yeah.
And you were like, take your time. I was like, this bitch just started. It looks so yummy. Wait, so I just like come here and eat and
Thanks
leave.
for driving.
The
Is it
sauce.
good? Is it some shingawa?
What is the sauce?
Yes.
Maple?
It's just butter, garlic, maple syrup, and soy sauce.
Butter? I'm
I
not
liked it.
It's so
It
good.
was so easy.
널 만나기
Today is finally the last day of living alone because I will be reuniting with my husband tomorrow. This week went by incredibly slow, and I indeed did miss him a lot. But I'm starting my day with some olive oil and lemon. I don't do this every day because I get lazy. I know a tablespoon of olive oil by itself sounds disgusting, and it is, but the lemon is so acidic and powerful, so you don't really get like the nauseating oily taste because the lemon just cuts it. Here's salt water. have to finish this yogurt today since I'm leaving, so I'm just gonna eat from the bowl. Look at all the vanilla bean speckles in there. Like, finish my blueberries. I still crave it before I sleep. It's time for matcha. Favorite time of the day. See you in a little bit for lunch. I'm gonna make witch soup. I used to make witch soup from scratch back when I was detoxing for my wedding last year, but I saw this at H Mart the other day and I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't know I could buy this, because had I known, I would have just bought this. But let's see if it tastes good. This has tomato, onion, carrot, potato, cabbage, apple, broccoli. I used to put like beets in mine. I also want some protein, so I'm going to grill the small piece of skirt steak that I have left over. I literally bought like 1 pound and it lasts me 3 meals. If I ate this with my husband, this would have been like less than a meal for the two of us because he loves his protein. This is my super simple lunch for today. Some leftover steak and the witch soup. I think for store-bought, it's not bad. It's edible, but I think I would just rather make my own. I don't think I would recommend this. But skirt steak is so good. Yeah, this would not recommend. Aw. Got my nails done. I just got my nails done and it is time for dinner. First, I'm gonna make the kimbap. I'm gonna make it vegetarian style with whatever I have in my fridge. 맛있지? 맛있어?
응.
그래? 얼만큼?
내가 한 거보다 맛있어.
진짜? 너무 맛있어. 그치?